Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology. Begin by actively engaging with your textbook and class notes from the very first day. Don't just read, question, highlight, and summarize. Break down complex topics, like cellular respiration or photosynthesis, into smaller, manageable sections. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Regular review is crucial for reinforcing your understanding and improving long-term retention. Focus on grasping the why and how behind biological processes, rather than simply memorizing isolated facts. To truly master biology, employ active recall techniques. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on key definitions, functions, and processes. Drawing and labeling diagrams of structures like the heart or a plant cell can significantly enhance your visual memory and comprehension. Try explaining complex concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This method often reveals areas where your understanding might be weak. Always strive to connect new information with what you've already learned, building a comprehensive and interconnected knowledge base. Make the most of available resources to boost your biology studies. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing the extensive vocabulary and key terms. Supplement your textbook with online educational videos and interactive simulations, which can bring complex biological processes to life. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates. Discussing challenging topics and sharing different perspectives can deepen everyone's understanding. And remember, your teacher is a valuable resource. Reach out for clarification on difficult concepts or for personalized study strategies. To ensure your success in biology, consistently practice with past exam questions. This helps you become familiar with question formats and identify common themes that appear on tests. Establish and stick to a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to biology. This routine builds discipline and ensures regular engagement with the material. For making your study breaks more efficient, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Finally, prioritize getting adequate sleep and maintaining a balanced diet. These are fundamental for optimal brain function and effective learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.